you think looks are important?
No, I don't think so.
What about money?
What's up, guys? Another morning here on Phu Quoc Island in the bottom of Vietnam, and it's quite warm today. It's about the mid-20s heading up to the 30s, so it is a bit windy as well. So I've got the hoodie on because I'm going to take a bike ride around the coastline of this island. Now it takes probably like 2 or 3 hours, which is all good, and the weather's going to be kind of fine and cloudy. No rain today, which is even better, but I've managed to stop here at the supermarket and stock up on some goodies, and I got the motorbike all ready to go. Hired this motorbike yesterday for like $5 a day from one of the local guys here, and yeah, we're gonna hit the island, check out some of the vibes. What I do want to do is catch some fly cam drone shots of different beaches from around the coastline. So let's jump on the bike, head on out and check out the vibes of Phu Quoc Island here in Vietnam. There's a lot of road works and construction going on. They're still developing this island. Kind of reminds me of Vanuatu, and it's really windy at the moment. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but we're heading out of the main town now, and I'm heading northwest of the island. I want to check out a couple of beaches on that side. Really reminds me of Vanuatu, but without like the coconut trees. I haven't seen any coconut or banana trees here. Just a lot of bush and jungle and construction. Lots of construction along the way. Obviously it's the island vibe, so anyway, we're about to hit one of the beaches. A lot of traffic heading to Vinh Pearl Wonder Park. It's like a amusement park. It's right up in the top northwestern part of the island. I don't think we're gonna have time to go visit it. I prefer to actually just check out the nature vibes. Just going through a little town right now. You can see they've got like little stalls set up along the way for people to have like pit stop breaks by themselves, like a banh mi, a sandwich, a coffee, or even a pho. Right, so we're navigating a dirt track now, off-road styles. It's quite loose too, loose gravel, mix of sand. So this is one of the routes to one of the beaches that I got recommended to come and check out from one of my friends. He runs a spearfishing company here called just wait for this truck to go. He runs a spearfishing company here, and the spearfishing company here is called Spearfishing Phu Quoc. So anyway, we are going to try and head down to the beach this way, and then from there we will see if we can throw up the fly cam. Looks like a bridge up ahead. It is a bridge. I wonder what it's to. But it's blocked off. Damn. Bridge is blocked off, guys. Can't get across. Ah, it's a river. And the beach is down there. Look at that. Can't get across it. Damn. There's the beach down there. That's where we want to go. But we can't go there because there is what seems to be a resort. Looks like a resort on that side. So what we will do instead is we will throw up the fly cam.
No, I don't think so.
What about money? Looks important.
Alright guys, so we have done our fly cam vibes from Vung Bao Beach. Hope you guys enjoyed those vibes. We are now heading to the east side of Phu Quoc Island. We're actually going to head through the national park. So we're going to go through some dense jungle and forests. Hopefully we can see some monkeys and anacondas on the way. Not the anacondas of this guy. Anyway, let us proceed. This is the apparent dense national park jungles of Phu Quoc Island. Now this part of the journey is going to take about, I think, 30 minutes. Because we're heading to the northern tip of the island. We went from the southwest side of the island to the northwest side, and now we're heading to the north of the island. It's getting really windy. See all the trees blowing about. Alright guys, so we've stopped for a bit of a pit stop, and I saw from the road these things. They look like rafts. And check this out. They've used fishing line to string the rafts to the polystyrene and the wood. I don't really like using polystyrene for anything. I think polystyrene is quite crap actually. So what they've used is fishing line to kind of stick the chair there. You can see they're using it for fishing because they've got like their lures and sinkers and hooks and stuff. And over here is the anchor, so they probably anchor it out there. And they've got oars, so they row out there, and they've got a few of them here. And there's a couple out there. There's one out there, and then there's another one just over here. So it looks like in low tide they swim out and they go and do some fishing out there. Some kind of Vietnamese ingenuity. If you can't afford a boat, you just make one. But making it out of this polystyrene stuff really sucks. Anyway, this is Vietnam styles. And I mean, look at the beach itself too. I mean, this is a waste of beach. The beach has been totally trashed. That really, really sucks. And this is like a real major problem here in Southeast Asia. Trash. I would say a lot of the trash is coming from the southern ends of Cambodia and Vietnam. Vietnam's over here, Cambodia's over here. Kampot Sihanoukville in Cambodia is over here, and Hai Tien over here in Vietnam. So the winds are actually drifting a lot of the rubbish here to the northern part of Phu Quoc Island. This beach is called Tom Beach, but it's a shame that look at all the pollution, all the trash along the beach. That really sucks. Really, really sucks. This beach could be beautiful. But this is what capitalism does, man. Anyway, I just thought I'd come and show you guys these. I just saw them from the road over here, and I thought, oh, I wonder what those are. And so they're like somebody's homemade rafts. Anyway, we're gonna jump back on the bike and head more around the east side of the island of Phu Quoc here in Vietnam.